But then, like you come from the artist point of view, so I would ask a lot of people right now from the audience, because now the audience has evolved. Like 2 years back, Instagram was not having such smart audience. Now the audience is very smart. कि अच्छा ये product placement है, ये brand deal है, इसने ये brand ने इसको पैसे दिए तब ये इनके page पे live stream कर रहे हैं. So now the audience knows what is happening, what is the commerce going on behind scene. Now what they do is they start calling the artists as sellout. कि तू sellout हो गया है, that you promised just pure art and now what are you doing? Who, like how can you be so stupid that you are holding a product in your hand? Because obviously the audience does not like that, but the brand wants that, so the artist will do that definitely. But because of doing that, the artist is getting a lot of hate, that you know तू तो sellout हो गया है ऐसा वैसा. So from an artist point of view, what is your view on that?
यार लोगों की कमेंट से मेरा पेट नहीं भरता.
Okay.
है ना, लोगों की कमेंट से मेरे बैंक अकाउंट में पैसे नहीं आते हैं. ठीक है. Of course there are a lot of people who understand that this is a product placement or this is a sponsorship or this is whatever, and of course it is the truth, but so what? So what? When you are consuming my content on Instagram, are you paying any money for it? No, you are not. तुम अगर एक मूवी थिएटर में जाके अगर ऐसा क्लेम करते हो कि भाई ये इसने जबरदस्ती प्रोडक्ट प्लेसमेंट किया, तो फिर भी एक बार सेंस बनता है क्योंकि तुमने मूवी देखने के पैसे दिए हैं. जब तुम किसी आर्टिस्ट को यूट्यूब पे या इंस्टाग्राम पे कंज्यूम करते हो, तब तुमने तो कोई पैसे दिए नहीं है, तो उसको तो पैसे कहीं ना कहीं से तो कमाने हैं. तो अगर वो कमा लेता है तो उसमें प्रॉब्लम क्या है? आई एम श्योर देयर आर लॉट ऑफ पीपल, लाइक यू सेड, द ऑडियंस हैज इवॉल्व्ड. सो पीपल आल्सो अंडरस्टैंड कि हाँ भाई प्रोडक्ट प्लेसमेंट है तो है, क्या है उसमें.
got it.
What you are saying is essentially by people who are trolls, और ट्रोल्स का तो काम ही ये है, वो तो हर एक जगह पे जाके यही करते हैं. But why should we pay attention to them? There is absolutely nothing wrong in having a product placement or a sponsorship or a collaboration or a tie-up. What is the problem? I mean, mutually, if you are benefiting the brand and yourself, then ultimately it's all commerce, right? It's all business. Everyone wants to thrive in life.
Recently a big thing had happened on YouTube, wherein there's this creator called Salil Jamdar, and he released a song which is Asli Gully Boy, and that song was basically like he very beautiful. It is like, if you just watch it from an artistic point of view, it's very beautifully created. What the song meant was that he was showing that he said that okay, you are a celebrity, you are an artist, I get it that a major chunk of your money comes from brands, but at least have the courtesy to advertise only those brands which you personally use. So what he was pointing out is a lot of these Bollywood celebrities, they themselves are very health conscious, so वो ये juice माजा वो सब नहीं पियेंगे, they won't eat the chips, the chip packets and all, they won't consume a lot of alcohol, but still they would do brand deals just because the brand paid them. So when such scenarios happen, what is the border? Like what is the fine line which you say that okay, till this point it is okay to do a brand deal because you need to sustain yourself. Beyond this point, it is you cheating on your audience.
Two ways to look at it.
Okay.
The first is that as an artist, I think it is his or her ethical or moral responsibility to kind of only endorse things which are useful for the audience and not harmful, like soft drinks or chips, or and because a lot of our younger audiences are very impressionable. So if an actor is drinking a soft drink, तो उसको लगेगा कि अरे मैं भी ये पीऊंगा तो मैं हीरो जैसा हो जाऊंगा. And millions and millions of dollars are spent on advertising of soft drinks and chips and all that junk food that we consume or what we see on television. So I think it is one the actors' moral responsibility maybe to check what brand are they endorsing. Point taken. But that is a moral responsibility. It is not a rule of law. तो वो उसको करना है तो करे, नहीं करना है तो नहीं करे. See, this is like a dilemma of eating vegetarian food or a non-vegetarian food. It is a moral dilemma. It is a moral responsibility for some people कि भाई how can you kill to eat, पर वो बोलेगा नहीं मेरे को खाना है, मेरे को प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, तुमको क्या प्रॉब्लम है. ठीक है, तो ये वो उस प्रकार का एक सिचुएशन है. The second perspective to this is that when an actor is an actor, he or she is acting in a film, he or she is acting in a drama, in theater, or an advertisement. For him, it is just an act. तो उसको फर्क नहीं पड़ता कि वो क्या कर रहा है. अमिताभ बच्चन को फर्क नहीं पड़ता है कि वो दीपिका पादुकोण के साथ पीकू फिल्म में एक्ट कर रहा है या फिर नवरत्न तेल की एड में वो किसी के बाल पे चंपी कर रहा है। वो तो एक्टर है, उसका काम है एक्ट करना। उसको जब बोलते हैं कट तो तब वो कट हो जाएगा, उसको जब बोलेंगे एक्शन तो वो एक्शन करेगा, उसको स्क्रिप्ट दिया गया है। सो द सेकंड आर्ग्यूमेंट और द सेकंड साइड ऑफ द आर्ग्यूमेंट इज दैट दे आर जस्ट डूइंग देयर जॉब्स। वो उनका काम है। अगर कोई एड में काम करना, अगर आज मुझे इफ समवन ऑफर्स मी अ रोल एंड सेज दैट कि भाई फलाना ढिकना एड में आप काम करोगे, तो मुझे अगर पैसों की जरूरत है तो बोलूंगा हाँ भाई, क्या मेरे को क्या प्रॉब्लम है। यू नो, टू बी ऑनेस्ट, आई हैव डन अ लॉट ऑफ पॉलिटिकल वॉइस ओवर्स, मतलब पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज के लिए। दैट डज नॉट मीन दैट देयर इज माय अफिलिएशन टुवर्ड्स अ पॉलिटिकल पार्टी। In fact, I have done for several parties during election time and otherwise also festivals वगैरह में। तो उसका मतलब ये नहीं है कि मैं उनसे जुड़ा हुआ हूँ, मेरा तो काम है, मैं एक आर्टिस्ट हूँ, मेरा काम है वॉइस ओवर देना, या मेरा काम है जिंगल बनाना। अगर मेरे पास कोई जिंगल आती है कि भाई ये पार्टी के लिए जिंगल मैं बना दूंगा, मुझे उससे क्या लेना, राइट? So that is the second argument to it. So I don't think an artist becomes a sellout because he or she is using or endorsing a product. Second, I understand that it is a moral responsibility sometimes for an actor, but again, that choice lies within choice lies with the actor. If he or she wants to do it, तो उसकी मर्जी है, अगर उसको नहीं करना है तो उसकी मर्जी है। हालांकि ये बात 100% सही है, it's their choice. हालांकि ये बात 100% सही है कि most of the things that they endorse, they don't use them.
Yeah, but is what you said in that there is a very good point, which says that in US there is a law which says that if you are an influencer, if you are an actor, you cannot subtly advertise something. अगर product placement है screen पे, then you need to mention it. Okay, you are being paid to advertise this, which is not there in India, and brands take a lot of advantage of this. they say कि अच्छा subtly ये पानी की बॉटल है, इसको just subtly pass on कर देना अपने वीडियो में, मोबाइल फोन का केस है, इसको दिखा देना. And that, I think, if that law gets introduced, then even the impressionable kids are literate enough to read, okay, this he's endorsing because he's being paid for that. And that
True.
I think.
And the second law which is also required is the moral responsibility. I think ये advertisement वाला एक rule अमेरिका में है या पता नहीं कहाँ पे है, that if the star or if whoever is advertising a wrong product or an harmful product, then they will get charged or fined for it. I think ये एक ऐसा कुछ बवाल बीच में भी हुआ था. I'm not really,
India में
I can't really remember.
India में recently एक महीने पहले वो law pass हुआ, in which if you endorse something which is harmful or not, there is a fine amount to that, but the fine amount is so less that if you actually do the product placement, you can pay off the fine in 1% of your product fee. So I don't think that makes sense, but yeah, it's a law pass हुआ है.
At least शुरुआत तो हुई है, चलो.
शुरुआत तो हुई, that's what we can say.